Molly and Chloe. Chloe, calm down. It's okay. It's okay, Chloe. Okay, ready to walk? Ready to walk? Oh, let's walk. Oh, sleepy. Shh. Quiet. Come on. Let's go. Good. Chloe, no. Be a good girl. Be a good girl, Chloe. Look at that tail wagging. You want to play. You want to play with Molly. Good. Introducing a new foster. Oh, yeah. This should be interesting. Only, yep, only for the weekend. She's a dingo, too.